Hello friends, welcome again in the another video. In today's video, let's solve one activity based question. The question is x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x and 5x square. These are the three polynomials given which are quadratic polynomials, and the question is write the polynomials in the index form and observe the coefficients and fill in the boxes. So first of all, we should write these three polynomials in the index form. So here we must understand how to write any quadratic polynomial in the index form or any polynomial in the index form. So when we have to write any polynomial in the index form, that means we have to write that polynomial according to in the descending order of power of the variable it contains. So here in all these polynomials the variable is x, and as it is a quadratic polynomial, we must write these polynomials in the descending order of power of x. So the first quadratic polynomial is x square plus 3x minus 5. So as we can see here, all the terms are present over here. That is, x square term is there. Then after that we should have the x term, because the power of x in this term is 1, and the last is the constant term. So it is already in the index form. So it is written here as it is x square plus 3x minus 5. Now the second polynomial is 3x square minus 5x. So the constant term is missing here. So first two terms are written as it is 3x square minus 5x, and as the constant term is missing here, the constant term is added, that's 0. So the polynomial becomes 3x square minus 5x plus 0, because if we add 0 to any other expression or any other number, the expression remains the same. So that will not be any difference to the expression. That's why we have added here 0. And the last polynomial is 5x square. So here both the remaining two terms are missing. So to write this in the index form, first of all we should write 5x square, which is given, plus x term is missing over here, so that can be written as 0 into x plus 0. So these are the index forms of the given polynomials. Now we have to write the coefficients and we have to fill in the boxes given. So for the first polynomial, the coefficients of x square in these three polynomials are, in the first equation it is 1, in the second equation it's 3, and in the last equation it is 5. So these are the coefficients of x square. Now we have to write the coefficients of x in all of these polynomials. So in the first polynomial it is 3, which is given. In the second polynomial it is minus 5. So in the second box we should write minus 5. And in the third equation, as x term is missing over here, so the coefficient of the x, so coefficient of x in the third polynomial is 0. So in the third box we should have 0. And the constant terms in these polynomials are, in the first box we should write the constant term in the first polynomial, which is minus 5. So we should consider this constant term along with the negative sign. So the constant term is minus 5 in the first polynomial. In the second polynomial it's not given, so it is 0. And in the third polynomial also it is not given, that's why it is 0. So this is how we can find the coefficients of all the terms in given polynomials.